Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It is my birthday! I'm so excited because when you're seeing this video, it's gonna be my birthday. Monday, June 29th, I'm a Cancer. I don't wanna hear no crap about it because we're probably the best sign. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone says that, but I think we take the cake. I don't wanna hear anything about us being emotional or anything like that because you're wrong. We're just misunderstood. So, yeah, it's my 25th birthday. I'm having a very, very, very small little setup with my family at my house. And we just gonna, celebrate in quarantine, which is okay with me because this birthday has really been, I don't know, so exciting. It's not even my birthday yet. And I feel so overwhelmed with excitement and growth and positive things happening. Like, I just can't even put into words like how I feel right now. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Awesome things happen over here. And this is just a lit, area and space. Very creative, very free flowing. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're a seasoned subscriber, thank you for tuning in. You're just the best, and I love and appreciate you so much more than you even know. So let's go ahead and get in the tutorial and let's just chat about 25. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with priming my face. I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have this little sample size because, like I said, if you can't tell, I'm in a temporary space. So I'm trying not to travel with a whole bunch of stuff, especially like my filming equipment and stuff, because that's a lot. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't really know why, other than the fact that it's my birthday and birthdays are important to me, but I just have a really good feeling about 25. I knew that this year for me, this trip around the sun, if you will, was gonna be big. And not 2020. I knew 2020 was going to be big. God said that last year. Everything that you were preparing for in 2019 is coming into fruition in 2020. That's on period. So I was already expecting an awesome year from that. And then I just knew that 25 was going to be great. And I think I mentioned this in my Big Chop video. I decided to do the big chop. I was like, you know what? I'm going into year 25. I was contemplating doing the big chop. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do it. This is going to be, it's going to be a transformative year for me. 2020 and my 25th birthday. So here we are getting ready to celebrate. And I'm just, I don't know, like, if you can't tell, I'm speechless. Like, I'm really excited. So I don't really know what look I'm going to do. Probably something like chill because I plan to be by the pool a little bit. I'm determined to get some photos in the pool. This Estee Lauder foundation in 5-in-1. Nothing new here. Gonna go ahead and start applying this because my party starts at 2. Well, it's supposed to start at I'm saying party. It's not a party at all because it's just like family. But my little mini quarantine celebration is gonna be starting here soon, and I don't want to like have people downstairs waiting. I don't want to be rude, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And I don't want to do anything complicated because, like I said, it is a quarantine celebration. I do want to take pictures, however, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm glad that I've learned and mastered how to quickly do my makeup so that I'm not taking a long time. Also, I feel like doing the face, hate when I get makeup in my hair like that. Doing the face first definitely, in my opinion, speeds the face up. I used to think doing brows and eyes first, like, sped it up, but no, I'm really into like the face and skin stuff, so I can whip this up pretty quick. But yeah, guys, I have come such a long way. And it's just crazy because if someone would have told me that I would be this way even a year ago, I would be like, are you sure? Really? Okay, now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to use this Kevin Aquan in SX6. I really love this concealer because it is full coverage. and you don't have to use a whole lot. So that is really nice. And I've just been into full face looks lately, like creams and, you know, really using product. Not excessive product, but just like full glam, like full on beat. I've been really anticipating my birthday because, like I said, I just knew that this year was going to be great for me. And not just waiting for my birthday, I've actually been putting in work and doing the things necessary to be where I want to be in life and to achieve the things that I desire and want to do. So that's been great. And to see the efforts of the work I've been doing and for it to pay off is so like, it's a good feeling. And I finally feel like I'm getting to a point where I'm getting in the lane that God has for me. Like, the reason that he put me on this earth, I feel like I'm tapping into that, and it's been great. It's been wonderful. I really feel like these last 2 years have been so life-changing. I've literally done complete changes. If you watched the video of, you know, my story about my ex, then you kind of know what I mean about, you know, how he and I broke up and how dramatic the breakup was. It was crazy. But I'm so past that, and I get so many comments on that video and of people with similar stories, and I'm just like, wow. Just wow. You see how full on glam we're going with this concealer? That's kind of also why I don't like to, why I like to start with just a little foundation and not go heavy with the foundation, because I know contour and highlight, we are going to really step it up. Now to contour, I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place contour. Actually, this is a foundation stick that I'm using, and I'm using this in Abidjan. I believe that is how you say that. I can never get some of these names right. I've already started to get some of my birthday gifts, and I'm just like, and gifts that I was not even expecting, because I'm just the type of person where people assume gifts are my love language because they see that I like to buy things, I love to shop, and I like nice things. So they assume that it's my love language. And in actuality, it's like if you could have a tertiary, like a third love language, typically you have a primary and a secondary. If you could have like a third one, mine would be gifts. But my top two are quality time and physical touch. Like, those are my love language. That's how you speak to me. But I love gifts, but my idea on it is that I can buy myself things, so I don't require is not the word. I can buy myself nice things, I'll say this. I can buy myself the things that I like and that I want. So I'm never looking for someone else to buy it for me. Although I love gifts, I love surprises, the good ones, not the ones when you find out stuff you didn't know. I like good surprises. But anyways, it's just not my love language. There's really no explanation behind it. So I never expect gifts. And when I do get gifts, I'm not even fake surprised. I literally am surprised. Oh, and I didn't even say, I'm going in with my favorite setting powder ever, the Derma Blend Translucent Powder, to set my highlight. I'm I can't wait I hope these pictures come out how I envision them in my mind. If not, we're gonna make them work, because that's what we do. I'm just gonna have to use this Morphe blush palette that I always post, because I'm working on a very limited supply of things. I'm gonna go ahead. And I really want a bronze look, so that's kind of like what I'm going for and what I'm doing. Next, I'm gonna take this Bobbi Brown highlighter and Bronze Glow. I just love a gold highlight, and this one seems to be the one that I gravitate towards the most. Okay, and we're back. So I already did my eyebrows, of course. I primed my lid with the MAC paint pot in, what is this? Soft ochre. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Norvina palette, which I have shown before. This is the 4th palette or collection, I think. It looks like this. Some of my eyeshadows are mixed, don't judge. So I'm just gonna kind of freestyle. I'm gonna start with D1 to go up in here with it. And I wanted something bronzy, but honestly, I'm probably just gonna freestyle it. Or maybe I will do bronze, I don't really know. All I know is that I need to hurry up. So D1 is kind of like a flesh tone. I have a thermometer I ordered from Amazon to check temperatures and stuff like that. I ain't playing no games. I be checking ours. I haven't really been anywhere. I mean, this past weekend, my friend had her bridal like shower proposal, or I guess like bridal party proposal. So I went to that. But other than that, I've been at home quarantining it up because we haven't officially opened outside, and here back in Texas we are closing it again because we're on a level 1 threat with this virus, which means that it's uncontrollable. And honestly, blame our governor, because who told you to open up so quick? But I suspect this year for me to be really big, to be the start and just the wave for me. Like, I've been so focused lately, it's been crazy because I have my mind set on specific goals and I'm not gonna stop until I get there. And I have goals that I, plan for myself by the end of the year that I want to have accomplished, and we making it happen. Like, we crushing all goals 2020. Yeah, I've truly been on this quest and just this, journey of finding myself and figuring out the things that I like, desire, and want. Because, oftentimes, and I've mentioned this before, we think we know what we want, we think we know who we are, but it's not until we truly spend time analyzing ourselves that we realize what it is that we actually want. And, relationships, you get to a point where you realize that certain relationships just don't bear any fruit. And what is the point in investing in relationships that bear no fruit? And I think what's even trickier with that is when you think of time as a measurement of loyalty and, friendship, and it really means absolutely nothing. I'm not gonna say it means absolutely nothing, but it's not a determining factor. And in these, 25 runs around the earth, I've learned that and had to learn it the hard way. So I think 25 is, being on this earth 25 years, I've definitely learned to trust my instinct, to trust my gut, don't back down or take no for an answer. There's always a way. And just to be confident and strong in who I am. Don't allow another person's opinions or feelings about themselves to be projected on you. And I spend a lot of time doing that, trying to, please everyone. Make sure that I'm on the right page with everyone. And it's just time out for that. Like, that stuff is unimportant. If you feel that you have to please a person or you have to do things to, make the friendship work or the relationship work, you don't need it. Don't get me wrong, every relationship requires work. But when it comes to a point where you feel like you're putting in a whole lot of work, or it's just something off, or it begins to feel like an abusive relationship, it's time to go. Like, it is time to go. And I have had my fair share of those moments, and I've just gotten to a point where, no, I'm not accepting it. I'm not dealing with it. I'm not accepting poor behavior once a person shows you who they are, believe them the first time. And that was a lesson that was hard for me to learn, because I typically see the best in people. I'm just not accepting poor behavior. When a person shows me who they are the first time, I'm gonna believe them, and that's gonna be that. But those are my lessons that I've learned, and I'm continuing to learn lessons. I'm a forgiver. I forgive. I'm not gonna hold malice in my heart or anything like that, because it's not worth it. It's really not worth it. And plus, I've worked too hard on myself to allow someone else's actions to, you know, be a determining factor in how I live my everyday life. Like, I'm not doing it. I literally decorated as if I had a full party. It's okay. So I'm trying to organize things and film at the same time. How the heck am I about to edit this video? All the interruptions that I've gotten in the last 5 minutes. Like, what, girl? I think I'm gonna be subtle. Nope, won't drama. Okay, now we're finished. So I went in with NYX brown lip liner and Saucy Gal by Artist Couture lipstick, and then over it I put the NYX butter gloss in. One second. Over top of the lipstick, I used the NYX butter gloss in Fortune Cookie to complete the lips, and this is kind of what we got. I wanted to do something really, really bronzy, but I had to do pink. Pink is my favorite color. I have pink nails for my birthday, so it was only right that I do something pink on the eyes. So we're just gonna get up close and personal a little bit so you guys can really see what it looks like. I really love a pink lash line, pink lower lash line. Girl, pink is my favorite color if you cannot tell. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video because I'm hungry for one, and I want to see the cute balloons that I had done, because I thought that I would be able to have a party, but we can't, so it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna celebrate a little bit. 25 is a big year. Like I said, I'm so blessed. I'm so honored to even be alive to see 25 and to be surrounded by people who love me, who genuinely love me and care about me, and that I care about as well. So this is a really big moment for me. By the time you're seeing this video, it will be my actual birthday. So go to my Instagram, wish me a happy birthday, send me something nice in the comments, a happy birthday in the comments as well, because you're gonna because it's my birthday. You're gonna drop a comment, let me know happy birthday, and tell me, you know, what sign are you, because I'm curious. I'm curious. Are there any other Cancers out there? Do I have any other Cancer, you know, subscribers? Because I really love to know. And don't forget, the best, you know, birthday gift that you can give me is to subscribe and tune in, watch the videos, and just be a part of the tribe, because I love you all so much. We're growing, and I couldn't be more excited and humbled. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching, tuning in. Don't forget to like. It's my birthday. That would help me out. I love when you guys like the content. Drop a nice comment below. Let me know what's your sign, if there's any other Cancers out there. And go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. It would be the best birthday gift that you could give me. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.